Hey everybody, this is Sonnie coming at you from Fukuoka, Japan, and here's my apartment tour. Oh yeah, look at this Genkan. That is a nice Genkan. So a little bit closer up, we have two big old umbrellas for when it's raining all day. And check this one out. Yeah, we call it Tartan Martin. That's our tartan umbrella. And then we have this for our shoes. We have a bike pump right there. We have to separate the food things, so that's just recycling. Some backpacks and some bags, reusable bags for the grocery store. We also have some bug spray, sunglasses, lint rollers, and stuff that we need right before we leave the house. And I'm gonna do a little sweep here. Oh, look at that, yeah. We got some cat stuff, water and food bowls, and some cat litter. This door here is to the toilet, and I'll show you that in just a second. I have the curtains closed right now because I don't want you to know exactly where our apartment is. But this is the kitchen area. You can see that's our refrigerator. Oh. That's a Penny. Getting some food. And then this is a desk, but we brought it in over here so that we'd have more counter space because, yeah, Japanese apartments are not really known for how big they are, especially their kitchens. This is the entire kitchen, and we rented this along with the stove and the refrigerator, and then we got this and actually the garbage can as well from a second-hand shop. This kitchen island thing was about 4,000 yen, and it serves its purpose very nicely. Have some more shelving units that we added. That's our stove that did not come with the apartment. We had to rent that. This is kind of weird. Look at this. There's only one. So we have to choose which one's open. These were gifts, going away presents. It's a sun and moon glass. So that's the sun because it's gold, and that's the moon. So that's for sake. Nihonshu here. This is also for Nihonshu. This is Bizen pottery, and this is for beers. So very nice stuff that we got here. Got our spice rack there. And then in our cabinets here, look, Pop-Tarts! My aunt sent me some Pop-Tarts. So this heats up the hot water for us. You push that button and then it comes out of a separate tap there. And then when I sweep this way, this is the shower room here, and it's slightly problematic. So I'll show you. I have my electric toothbrush out here because there's no place to plug it in there. And then we have just, some cleaning supplies and a few other things. And I love my bath mat because it doesn't say bathroom, it says bathroom with an exclamation mark. So let's open this door here. Here is the bathroom. And you can see it's very blue. It's also pretty old, which is one of the reasons that we got this relatively large apartment in a city for relatively little price. So yes, just like our other Japanese apartment, you shower outside of the bathtub. And this bathtub is relatively small. And to use the bathtub, we actually have to turn on the heat to get hot water in here as well. And you can see everything gets wet. And we just cleaned the entire apartment and showered. So it's all smoky in there. And here's the toilet room, which is separate. Yeah, that's pretty much that. What I really like about this is when you flush and the water comes out of the top of the sink, this one you have more space to wash your hands. It's actually an older model, and I think it works way better for that. The kitchen leads us straight into the living room. Check out these doors. I love these doors. So you can slide these closed and have this whole thing separate from this room. I just think it's so beautiful. It looks very traditional Japanese, but it's glass instead of paper. So I think it's much better, especially because we don't have to worry about the cats trying to jump through the paper, which would be really problematic. So I have a little shelf here, and that's all my camera equipment and then the books that I travel with. This shelf and that shelf were 780 yen each. at this secondhand shop that's just down the road from us. And just in case you're curious, this apartment is 60,000 yen a month. That is not including any utilities or anything like that. So you can see it's pretty big. We have our 2 cat trees on either side of the couch. The couch was also from the secondhand shop, and that was about 8,000 yen. I love the pattern on these floors. That's our kotatsu. We brought our computer from the US to Scotland and then to here, and then the TV from Okayama. This is our new entertainment table, and that one was also from the secondhand shop. That was less than 3,000 yen. And of course my Tri-Wizard cup. And then over here, I have my makeup, a hairdryer that I never use, and some jewelry. And then this mirror here, I'm in my pajamas and I just like showered and stuff. So, what up? But I'm not gonna be in this video too much. But yeah, so this is where I do my makeup in the morning because I cannot do my makeup in there. It just doesn't work. And that leads us to the tatami room. And something cool about this apartment is if you stand in the kitchen, you can see all the way through the entire length of the apartment. So let's go. This is the wall hanging that I had previously separating the bathroom area. It's pretty dang cute. That is our closet there, and we have some storage. Penny wants to go inside. What else is new? So this side is my side. That side is Joe's side. No Penny! And this is the room where you've seen I've done previous recordings in. So for those of you who don't know, the tatami flooring is very traditional. And luckily for us, the cats don't use it as a scratching pad, but we still have precautions. We keep that door closed, definitely. So these are a bunch of boxes that we have to take out with recycling, and we haven't done that yet. But they're all tied up and ready to go. You can see we have some gym equipment, we have some shoes, and this is where we iron. So this room, mainly because of the cats, it isn't used that much. We would use this for sleeping. This is our futon. What we do every night is we take this futon out and we move the kotatsu over there, and we sleep right here with the couch as kind of our headrest. So there's our pile of blankets and pillows, and these are the chairs that we sit at the kotatsu with. We also have a desk chair, but we don't really use that much. And this door, that door, and that door all lead to our gigantic balcony. Let me show you. So check this out. I'm standing on one end of the balcony, which is one end of our apartment. And then Ellie's coming out too. The cats love it out here. They have so much room, and a lot of it is glassed off, so they can enjoy. Hi, baby. They can enjoy watching all the people. Are you saying hi? Oh, good girl. And we don't have to worry about them being in any danger or getting out. There's even a little gap in between that they can kind of poke their head out of. We have recycling, 3 different recyclings out here, and some of our cleaning stuff is out here as well. Something that's cool about this is we have 2 sets of curtains. This white curtain is a lace whiteout curtain, and that's behind our red curtain here. And that makes it so that when we have that closed, we can still see out of it, but nobody can see in, so we have some privacy, which is really good. And the reason that we have that is because unlike our old apartment, look, we have the fogged glass on the bottom here, but on the top it's regular glass, so we can actually see out the windows of our apartment. Our AC unit, we were cleaning today, so that's from the mop. Say hi, Bear. And then this area is our laundry area, and it's all glassed in, which is really nice because when it's raining, I can still do laundry out here like I was today. But yeah, it's protected from the weather, which is really great. And I think I'm going to call it there. Eleanor says goodbye. Penny says goodbye. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please hit the like button. If you really enjoyed it and you want to see my face, please check out some of the other videos and subscribe if you haven't already. Please comment below, what do you think of our new place? I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to chatting with you. See you next week. Bye.